Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you something special like we always do. So today we'll be making risotto. So risotto is a kind of dish made from arborio rice, and we're going to finish it up with some mushrooms. Follow me while I introduce you to today's ingredients. Here we have arborio rice, shiitake mushrooms, olive oil, garlic, black pepper, salt, parmesan cheese, butter, water, parsley, and shallot. Let's get cooking. We're gonna start by first bringing our vegetable stock to a boil, and then we work on the rice proper. For the rice, we'll start by putting some oil, olive oil in the pan, some shallot, mushroom, garlic, we deglaze with some white wine. So you let the white wine dry out a little bit, and then we add the butter to it. Some salt, black pepper, then we add the arborio rice. So one thing about risotto is you're gonna do a lot of stirring. You have to constantly stir the pot so as to avoid the rice from burning. Turn down the heat, and then we'll bring back the vegetable stock that we heat up earlier. Yeah, so we put that in little by little. Just put enough to cover the rice. You can see the vegetable stock is drying out, so I add more water to cover the rice. So you have to do this about 4 times, and then your rice is ready. So this will be the 4th and last time I'll be adding stock to my rice. I'm just gonna wait for the water to reduce, and I add my other ingredients and take it off the fire. The 2 final ingredients will be parsley and parmesan cheese. So we'll mix that all together, and risotto is ready. Recipe for this beautiful dish will be in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you.